Number 8. Which process is involved in the uptake of glucose by the epithelial cells of kidney tubules? So, our body just loves glucose. So it doesn't actually want to take the glucose away from our body. It doesn't want to excrete it. So the kidney, our kidney, actually reabsorbs all of the glucose that goes into the kidney. It doesn't let a single glucose molecule, actually that's a bit exaggerated, but to go out of the body. So even if our body has a lot of glucose, like high concentration of glucose already, and relatively low concentration is inside the kidney, it reabsorbs the glucose into the body where high concentration of glucose is. So movement of particles or molecules from low concentration to high concentration is, of course, the active transport. So the answer is A for this question.